Hi guys, it's Tutorial Logs. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this slime. So yeah, let's just get started with the video. So this I'm just gonna put it outside here. I'm just gonna make some slime. I'm just gonna use like the whole bottle because I have 7 more bottles of these glues. So you guys, like I tried it with this Nickelodeon slime activator, but it didn't work. So don't use it with like just regular glue. Use it with the glue that comes with the slime as a Nickelodeon. If you guys want to know a video of me opening a Nickelodeon box opening of slime, comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and yeah, and make sure you hit that bell ring because it will go like ding ding. Just kidding, you guys. If you guys want to know more videos about me, so yeah, and just please subscribe. Okay, so I'm almost getting out everything, but I'm just gonna put the water when it's all done. That's what I actually do for some of my slimes. I'm just gonna add a little bit tight. A little, just a little bit by a little. Like just keep swimming, keep swimming, keep swimming, swimming. I want this slime to be stretching, gooey, and silly. And hashtag drama, you guys. Just kidding. I'm just gonna cut it because there's like so many pieces that are so big. Sorry guys for the noise. I'm still cutting. See that? Like, don't see that? Sorry guys if you guys not see it. Just look at that. See how big of one? Still gonna get another piece of it. Okay. Hope this works. Like hope. Not hope. Wish it. If it works, my dream come true. Guys, I just want to tell you something that dreams do come true. You guys don't know how, but it's about your life. How you should purr and how you behave. I'm just telling you guys that dreams do come true. My dream come true. My dream day come true. I'm not gonna tell you guys because my dream is gonna get heartbroken. Yeah, heartbroken. Oh no. I don't know for next time. Little blue. Oh, just get mixing. Oh my gosh, so sticky. So soak and so sticky. Just mix it. With this nice, gooey, fluffy little slime. Sorry for the noise. Oh my gosh, I can't even do this just 1 more minute. takes so much to be mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. So sticky, and plus it's so hard to mix. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so hard to push. Just keep mixing, 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 mixing. Yeah. Mixing. So yeah, so bad behaving. Alright, you guys. So let me just finish up a little bit more, and we're getting done almost. So anything else I could grab? So that's it for today, you guys. Let me show you the sign. So yeah, just keep mixing with your hand. So yeah, you guys. So that's it. Make sure to subscribe, like again, and post that bell so you want every single time there's another video from my channel, from my YouTube channel. So yeah, guys, bye.